Alright guys, welcome back. We got a Forester here in the garage. This is from 2012 to 2018, I believe. 2.5. This engine, same thing as Forester, Legacy, and Outback. 2.5 non-turbo. On this video, we're going to change the serpentine belt, idler, and tensioner at the same time. They're all right there. This one never been changed before, so we're going to quickly change all those. Alright, so before we start, after I'm changing all those belt and tensioner, we're gonna do the spark plug right after, so stay tuned on that. After this video, I'm gonna do the spark plug. So start by taking out this cover right here, and then this bolt right here, 10 mil, this cover will come out, and all this front belt right here and then pulley is exposed, ready to come out. Alright, we'll use 14 sockets on this one with a long ratchet. And so this is why we're changing this, because somehow there's contamination oil in here, and then you can see it's cracking right there, crack. And it makes a squealing sound every morning, especially when it's super cold. So this is garbage. We'll take out the idler, 14 mil as well. Here's the new one. This is garbage. Alright, so on the tensioner on the belt, here's a new one. There's a bolt inside. Right here, there's a plastic cap. Let's pop that cap open like that. Don't lose that. Alright, so you put a Allen key on there. I use 5/16 on this one. Alright, there you go guys. There's a tensioner. We need to use this bolt. We need that for the new one right there. That goes on the side. Here's the old one. This is garbage. Alright guys, so here's the old belt. Here's the new one. Here's the part number. Before we install, we'll measure it up to the old one, make sure it's the right one. Looks the same to me. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so let's put the idler in first, in here. And then the tensioner. On the tensioner, there's a little pin right there that goes into this hole right here. And the bolt goes in the middle. And then we're gonna just use this Allen key, just a hand tight for now. It's nice and snug, just like that. And then the bolt in the bottom for the 14 mil, nice and snug. There you go. So now let's put the belt on here. Alright, so let's start from the bottom. So that would be the AC pump right here. Go around the AC underneath. And then go on top over the idler. And go down, wrap around underneath the crank pulley. And then come up to the tensioner, over. And then alternator after. Oh, this is the AC pump. This is a water pump right here. Water pump and AC. Get your 14 mil. You're gonna move this tensioner here. Make sure the belt is on there. It's all in the groove. Double check. Alright, here we go. Perfect. Alright guys, there you go. New idler, new tensioner, and new belt. Just double check, make sure I wipe this belt off. No dirt, no mud, no oil on that. But yeah, that's it. That's how you install this belt on this 2.5 non-turbo.